Imagine this. You're sitting in a plane, ready for takeoff, when suddenly the airport goes into chaos. Flights are grounded, alarms are blaring, and nobody knows why. In 2025, this isn't fiction, it's reality. Airports across Europe and Asia have faced drone intrusions that shut down runways for hours. Tiny consumer drones, costing less than a phone, have the power to paralyze an entire international airport. Just one drone sighting near a runway can cancel hundreds of flights and cost airlines millions. But the danger doesn't stop there. Behind the scenes, cyber attacks are now one of the fastest-growing threats to aviation. Hackers target airline booking systems, airport servers, and even flight operations. In 2023, a major European airport faced a cyber breach that exposed sensitive passenger data and disrupted flights for days. Experts warn that drones and hackers are a double threat, one in the skies, one in the networks. Airports are now rushing to install anti-drone defenses, radar jammers, and advanced cybersecurity systems. But the problem is, technology is advancing faster than the defenses. So here's the chilling question. Are our airports truly safe? Or are we entering a new era where invisible enemies can shut down global travel in seconds? One thing is certain. The skies are not just about planes anymore. They're about the unseen battles happening every day to keep aviation secure. What do you think? Should airports invest billions more in defense? Or are we already too late? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Sky Dominance for more aviation mysteries and insights.